Knowing where you are wrong is sometimes more valuable than knowing that you are right. I'll talk about that in relation to the shares of Nvidia and their stock chart in this video, so let's get started. This is the hourly chart of Nvidia, and I have a couple of moving averages on this chart, actually three. One is the 50-hour moving average, the other is a 100-hour moving average, and down here is a 200-hour moving average. And if you go back to, back here in May, the only moving averages that have been tested are either the 50-hour moving average or the 100-hour moving average. I'll show you the levels. Right here, the market tested the 100-hour moving average just below the 50-hour moving average. Right here, we based against the 50-hour moving average and moved higher. Then we tested 50-hour moving average here. We tested it here. We broke below it here, but held the 100-hour moving average. We tried to do the same thing through here, fell below it, and then we had one little move below the 100-hour moving average here before starting this big move to the upside right through here. On the correction lower here, we tested the 50, got sniffed it right here, and we fell below the 50-hour moving average in trading actually this week. And what did we do? We came right back down to the 100-hour moving average, found support against it here again, moved up to 50 right here, and based against the 50 and trading here today and moving higher. So we're breaking back above the 50-hour moving average. But these charts, these levels don't lie to you as a trader. They tell you what the bias is, and they also tell you what your risk is. So if you're a trader in this stock, what do you not want to see? Well, you don't want to see the price move below the 50, then move below the 100-hour moving average. If it does that, it's telling you that the sellers are starting to take back more control. The buyers are giving up some control to the sellers, and that's more important to you as a trader, understanding the risk, understanding where the price is reversing in a stock, especially a bullish stock like Nvidia, than knowing how far it will go. If it just stays above those levels, it's going to go higher. If it moves below those levels, and by the way, they're moving to the upside, so that's good news for you as well, because they do put your stop and they trail your stop higher each time. But knowing that is more important than knowing where it's going to go or projecting that it's going to go to 200, this, that, and the other. I'd rather know where I'm wrong, where the bias shifts, and trade it that way as opposed to the other way. My name is Greg Michalowski. I hope you learned from this video. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.